20 houses. And what should you tell the people in the 20 houses? I will tell you. I will tell you what you should tell them. You should tell them, please vote for Andrew Shullai. Vote with you, each of you, ladies, gentlemen, each of you go to 20 different houses, tell them to press the button number 2. Button number? I can't hear you. Button number? What is this? I want to be louder. All of you together. Button number? Wait a minute, wait a minute. First only this side. Button number? Now this side. Button number? Let me see who's louder. This side. Button number? This side. Button number? That's correct. Button number 2, Andrew Shullai. But my last point, you have to go tomorrow morning to 20 different houses and tell them to vote for Andrew Shullai, button number 2. And my last point today, please listen to this. All of you here and all of you there. What happened? We know TMC is winning from Awhai. TMC is winning from Awhai. TMC, people of Awhai, listen to me. My name is Derek O'Brien. I speak in Parliament, but today I'm speaking in Awhai. Listen to me, all of you. Do not waste your vote. Do not waste your vote on any other party.